Hear me. You see that thought in your mind? That thought in your mind, yes, you. That thought in your mind saying that there's no God. That thought you are allowing to make noise inside you, that you are giving room to domain, to walk through your system. Yes, you see that thought? Yes, that is telling you that there is no God in your situation, that there is no God in your journey, that there is no God in your business, that there is no God in whatever you do. You see that thought? You better find way to tell the thought now. You better tell the thought now that it should go back to where it's coming from. That the thought, yes, to go back to where it's coming from. Tell the thought to be silent. Tell the thought to be silent. For God exists. The one that rules from the generation to the generation to the next generation, he has no end. Yes, without no end. Yes, tell that thought that want you to sink in the merry pit. Tell that thought that don't want to give you a space to enter into the space of your reality. Tell that thought. Tell that thought. Tell that thought that said no one is going to save you, that no one is going to come as a helper in your journey. Tell that thought that is saying that you are not going to be favored. Tell that thought that said you should jump from the sky to test your God, your Lord, whether your God lives or not, whether your God exists. Tell that thought for he not to put you into test. Tell that thought for he not to put you into test of regret. Tell that thought for he not to put you in a journey of no return. Tell that thought to be silent. Tell that thought to be silent right now. Yes, be silent.